In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find competitors' keywords using Semrush. This is a fantastic tool if you're looking to improve your SEO strategies by understanding what your competitors are ranking for. So, let's dive in and make sure you have a solid grasp on how to do this efficiently. First, get ready by opening up your preferred web browser. Once it's open, you're going to want to type Semrush into the search bar. This is the hub of our keyword research today, so let's ensure we can access it smoothly. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in with your existing account. For those of you who are new to Semrush, there's an option to sign up, which only takes a few minutes. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush dashboard. From here, we'll begin the exciting process of unraveling your competitors' organic keywords. Look for the search bar located prominently on the dashboard. Here, you'll need to enter your competitor's domain. Let's take an imaginary domain, for instance, example.com. Typing this in will grant you access to a wealth of data about their SEO performance. After entering the domain, direct your attention to the tabs available. Click on the Competitors tab. This is an insightful feature as it highlights other websites Semrush identifies as organic competitors. They calculate this based on aspects like keyword overlap and the level of competition. It's a goldmine for understanding who you're really up against, and it gives you a clearer picture of the competitive landscape. From this list, choose a competitor that you'd like to explore further. Click on that specific competitor, which will navigate you to more detailed analysis. Here's where things get particularly interesting. You're going to focus on the Positions tab. This section is crucial as it reveals a comprehensive list of keywords that competitor ranks for. It will include their ranking positions, search volumes, and the keyword difficulty ratings. This data is instrumental because it allows you to see both the strength and weakness in your competitor's keyword strategy. As you examine this information, think about how you can leverage these insights to improve your own strategies. Consider targeting keywords where they rank lower, or even those with high search volumes and manageable difficulty, to potentially craft content that might outshine theirs. That's everything you need to get started with finding competitors' keywords in Semrush. By consistently applying these methods, you'll gain a competitive edge in understanding how your niche market operates and effectively tailor your SEO tactics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like this.